It's just 929 here, just 929, and we're going to see whether or not this market is going to push back up higher, or will it drop back down into these lows. I reset the chart so that way it's not a lot of information being displayed historically. Just want to catch about 5 minutes of this, not trying to be an alert service, so I made sure I removed the stuff that's on the swings. Also, I may be putting this out later. On the fence about it. I don't know if I want to put this out immediately or later. I don't know. But I reset the chart. I'm not an alert service. Let's just see the tools work. If you picked up the suite, then again, thank you so much for doing that. And I want to make sure that you're able to see a reference point. Again, there's at least 30 indicators on this chart. It's at least 30 indicators. You don't need them all. Just pick whichever ones that will suit your trading. That's all. I'm actually working on a couple more today as well. I did tell you guys in yesterday's video that this is a hobby for me. I started in technicals, and then I started to look at the chart for what it actually means. And majority is the only thing that's making these candles actually form, and of course getting it to be directional to go down the board. So head over to futures trading if you want to learn how to trade with no indications. I'll teach you how to do that. I've been trading long before it was prop firms. I want to go ahead and tell you that. And I started in technicals. All right. I want to make sure you know I'm putting education behind these signals. It's not me guessing. I'm not guessing at this stuff. I even tell you over there how to read the market with no indications, and you can know when the high or the low of your bar is being set while it's in motion. Even when it's heading in the opposite direction, you can know whether or not it's going to end a bull bar or a bear bar. And it's not a one-off. I did at least 4 videos of that, and each one of them is well over 15 minutes. Simple information, simple, for free, for free. Make sure you head over there, check it out, Futures Trading. Hit the link in the header there, and you'll be able to see that information. So they're pushing down. Again, use whatever tools that you would want to use. I got tons of them. Tons of them. All of these are just little things to help you with timing, because that's all you need. You just need something to help you with timing if you know how to read the market. I do want to definitely draw your attention to these dots. I got some white dots. I got some blue dots. These are all a part of the $100 package, so you don't have to go as far as to get the 250 package. You don't have to go that far. I tried to make sure that it's affordable on both sides. So with the $100 package, you do have 2 ladders. One of them is this profile one, so you can have that one. I actually got it tracking 3 bars, so I got it tracking 3 bars. The other 2, they're just tracking 1. So yeah, you will have that. There's another ladder associated with it as well. So the little white dot, the blue dot, even the text that you're seeing above the bar, the volume text, those 3 numbers there, you'll get that information too. All right. So yeah, they're heading down. Even the color bars, I want to say that too. That's a part of the $100 package, so you're not going to be missing. I want to make sure I include that and make sure I say that to you. Even the little squares with the numbers on it, that's a part of the $100 package. So you're not missing, just because you're selecting the $100 package. You're not going to miss. You're still going to have some information that can actually help you out. Of course, the 250 is going to give you just a tad bit more of information. Tad bit more, just a tad bit more. The exhaustion off to the right, you'll have that as well. That's a part of the $100 package. You'll have that as well. The sweep, the exhaustion square there, you'll have that. All of that information for 100 bucks. And again, it's roughly about 400 tools in total if you go with the 250 package. It's roughly about 400 tools I've made so far. And I plan to make more. I absolutely plan to make more. I want to give the trader the right to win. That's all. You have a right to win. You shouldn't always lose. That's not right. It's just not right, and I'm looking to correct that. That's all. Want to make sure that the trader have a real chance at beating markets. That's all. Just want to make sure you have a real chance at it. All right, well, we're 4 minutes into this. You're seeing the tools work. Again, if you purchase the suite, this is your package. This is what it's capable of. You have to reach in there and select what signals you want. What signals do you want to use? Again, there's the blue dot on the bottom of that red bar. $100 package that has that. The $100 package has that. All right, so that's my time with you. I wish you all the best with your trading. Do head over to the store. Take care.